What's up everyone, it's Najam and today I'm gonna review a cheap gaming keyboard which comes just under £15 and has backlit keys. Let's get into it. Now the first thing you realize is that it looks like a mechanical keyboard, but it's not. It's a typical keyboard like the ones you use at work, but it comes with some gimmicks. Now by all means it's not a bad keyboard. I love typing on it because the keys are soft and feel pleasing to press. It pretends to be a mechanical keyboard and it does a good job at it. But the thing is, it's not a mechanical keyboard like I said. A full-size keyboard like this comes with a number pad on the right side. I find myself not using it at all, however regarding the fact that the number pad was one of the reasons I got this keyboard. It feels good to type on. It's also loud like a mechanical keyboard, meaning you have a chance of hearing it in the background when doing commentary over gameplay, but it's not a deal breaker. The design is somewhat nice and I like the lighting the most. It does have kickstands which are useful. On the top row it has some shortcut keys mapped to control media and some usual applications that you use like the web browser or email. It's very comfortable to use even though the area to rest your wrist on is small. It has 3 different lighting colors, red, blue and pink. You also have one effect which is fade and is opted by holding the FN key down and pressing PS. By doing so you can switch between colors. To change a color, hold the FN key and press SL. You can cycle through the 3 different options. The PB button is just the fade effect, but it cycles through colors in order. One thing I don't like about this keyboard is that it doesn't save the settings. Whenever you turn on your computer, it always lights up red and you have to switch colors manually. Also, you can't see the light as much when using the keyboard because the lights point straight up at the ceiling rather than the angle you look at it from. Overall, I like the keyboard and I recommend it if you're looking for a keyboard with backlights. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in a different video.